kids, welcome back to the channel, and this is the second part of solar system games. Now the next game?
Yes!
Okay, so this is your next game. Okay, so what you have to do, I just tell you the name of the planets and you have to hit that glass planet. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, hit the Jupiter glass.
This one.
I don't know. Yes, very good. Okay, Muntaha, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hit the Earth.
Earth.
Okay, I'll give you one more chance. You hit the Earth. Kanzah, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hit the Saturn planet. Where is the Saturn?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah! Okay, Muntaha, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hit the Uranus.
Uranus.
Where is Uranus?
Uranus is here.
Yes, very good. Okay, ready for the next game?
Yes.
So this is your puzzle games, okay?
Okay.
Now you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, go. Fast, do it fast. Fast. Okay. Okay, now Muntaha has more. Now first Muntaha, tell me your planet names.
Okay, Saturn.
Yes.
Jupiter.
Yes.
Uranus.
Yes.
Neptune. Venus.
Very good. Now you tell.
Mercury.
Yes.
Earth.
Yes.
Mars.
Okay. Okay. Now you both don't know the one planet names. Okay. Now in this game, Muntaha is winner because she has more cards. Okay. Yay! Very good. But Kanzah, you also did well. Now you enjoying?
Yeah.
Now you know the planets?
Yes. So much fun.
Okay, tell me the name of the planets.
Mercury.
Yes.
Venus.
Yes.
Earth.
Very good.
Saturn. Jupiter. Saturn. Earth. Uranus. Neptune.
And one more.
Mars.
Okay, very good. Clap yourself.